Our final sound tonight, being awarded with the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Recognition Award for Excellence in Sound Clash history, is none other than Bodyguard. Established in 1988 in Macon, Clarendon, Bodyguard is one of the true pioneers of the Sound Clash arena as we know it today. Bodyguard is the first World Sound Clash champion, which took place in London in 1993. They're the first sound system out of rural Jamaica to dominate the Sound Clash arena on a global platform, famous for the exclusivity and creativity of their dub plates. Once a finalist in Guinness Sounds of Greatness, Bodyguard has performed in most of the continents, receiving awards and accolades island-wide. Our junior brand manager for Red Stripe, Mr. Ben Sinclair, is here with us tonight, and we also have representing tonight Miss Chelsea Ward, looking so lovely. Hey, it'll make some nice Chelsea. Look on Chelsea, nice. Congratulations to the Bodyguard sound. Photo ops, Chelsea, then I'll come talk to you. You have to tell me something. You have to talk to me tonight, Chelsea. Good deal. Yes, Ben, big smiles. Yes, yes.
Hello.
And Chelsea, give us a few by yourself as well. And I'm going to, right after I speak to Chelsea, ask all three recipients to come up on stage for a photo op opportunity. Hello, Miss Moore. How are you? Moore, how are you? Lovely. Now you are the daughter of the owner of Bodyguard. So tell me now all this, because you grew up in sound class systems. So tell me from your perspective what you know this means to the song.
I mean, I'm absolutely honored to be here tonight to collect this on behalf of my dad purchasing. Growing up, I mean, I've gone to so many dances. I know so much about music, and I mean, I'm really proud of him and the Bodyguard team.
All right, thank you so much. Now, you don't move from here. I'm going to ask Delano to come back on stage, and also our representatives from the Kilimanjaro Sound with your recognition belt.